Going into arms soon as case numbers unfortunately continue to climb. LA County health officials say workplace outbreaks and COVID clusters have soared again.
Yeah, but who really needs the booster and when? And should we start taking other precautions? KCAL News reporter Jeff Nguyen spoke to a number of doctors for their expert advice.
I never had COVID. This is my first time getting it. I managed to dodge it for all these years.
David Yoshihara tested positive for COVID on Thursday afternoon. The married father of twin boys is part of a growing trend across Southern California.
Unfortunately, we are definitely seeing an increased number of patients that are contracting the virus.
The Food and Drug Administration is expected to green-light updated versions of the COVID boosters. Then the CDC and its advisory committee will issue their own recommendation on who should get the shots.
There was some good data in terms of the new booster protecting against the newest subvariants.
Over the past 3 years, we've documented Dr. Jerry Abraham's efforts to get people vaccinated. Doctors expect the CDC to recommend the new boosters to seniors and those who are immune compromised.
People without health insurance and people that are marginalized, minoritized, they're going to have a harder time getting access to vaccines.
Now that the pandemic is technically over, doctors are concerned people have let their guards down.
As bad as things are now, we know that in the winter months that there will be more cases of COVID.
And we don't want anyone to feel ashamed of wearing a mask. We don't want anyone to feel ashamed about getting a booster.
David Yoshihara is currently taking Paxlovid and isolating from his family. His first take-home test came up negative, but his fever led him to take a few more.
If I took that one test that's negative, I would have been walking around spreading the virus, giving it to my parents, my neighbors, people at the grocery store. So I highly suggest take 3 tests just to make sure. It costs a little bit of money, but I think it's worth it.
We talked to a number of doctors for this report. They suggest if you can wait for the new boosters, wait. Right now, it is unclear who will qualify for the shots, so people who are immune compromised should consult with their doctors about their options. In Tarzana, Jeff Nguyen, KCAL News.
The state of California has now reached a settlement with Kaiser following allegations that it unlawfully disposed